Bullets are a really nice way to make a list or give directions or just to make some information a lot easier to read. So I'm going to show you how to add bullets to a slide. Now I don't want to do it on a title slide, so I'm going to add a new slide. And now if you look in the toolbar, you cannot see the bullets. What you have to do is actually click in the text box, and then if you notice, all of these other tools have appeared. Now the bulleted lists are over here. There's numbered list and there's bulleted list. So if you click on that, the black dot will appear. Then you type your information and you hit enter. When you hit enter, the second bullet automatically appears. Now let's say you have what's called sub information. You hit the tab key and that moves the bullet over, and then you have a smaller font size and you can add information that might fit with the previous bullet. Now, if you don't like that bullet, you can click on a little tiny arrow next to it and it gives you other options. So you can do a star or you can do check boxes. I don't care what type of bullets you use, but I need to know that you know how to do bullets.